Have you ever wondered why Stash charges you those pesky $3 fees? It's a question that's probably crossed your mind at least once, especially when you're trying to keep track of your finances. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Stash and figuring out exactly why those charges exist. A personal story. Let's start with a personal anecdote. Remember that time you tried to cash out a small amount from Stash? You were expecting to get the full amount, but instead, you saw a smaller figure. Where did the rest of your money go? It's a frustrating experience, and it's likely why you're here watching this video. Understanding Stash fees. Stash charges fees for a few different reasons, and it's essential to understand them to make informed decisions about your investments. Let's break down the most common fees you might encounter. Account maintenance fee. This is a recurring fee charged monthly to maintain your Stash account. It's a standard practice in the investment industry, similar to how banks charge monthly maintenance fees for checking and savings accounts. Transaction fees. If you make frequent trades or withdrawals, you might incur transaction fees. These fees can vary depending on the type of transaction and the specific investment. Early withdrawal fees. If you withdraw your funds before a certain period, you might face early withdrawal fees. This is a common practice to discourage short-term investing and encourage long-term commitment. Foreign exchange fees. If you invest in foreign securities, you might be subject to foreign exchange fees. These fees are charged to convert your funds from one currency to another. Why do these fees exist? Now that we know what the fees are, let's explore why Stash charges them. Operating costs. Running an investment platform requires significant resources, including technology, customer support, and compliance. These costs are passed on to customers in the form of fees. Risk management. Stash has to manage various risks, such as market fluctuations and regulatory changes. Fees help them cover these risks and ensure the platform's stability. Profitability. As a business, Stash needs to generate revenue to stay afloat and grow. Fees are a primary source of income for the company. How to minimize fees. While it's impossible to completely eliminate fees, there are strategies you can use to minimize their impact on your investments. Choose a fee-based account. Stash offers different account types, some of which have lower fees than others. Research the available options to find the best fit for your needs. Limit transactions. The fewer transactions you make, the less likely you are to incur transaction fees. Invest for the long term. By avoiding early withdrawals, you can save yourself the associated fees. Be mindful of foreign exchange fees. If you're investing in foreign securities, consider the potential foreign exchange fees and factor them into your investment decisions. Alternatives to Stash. If you're unhappy with Stash's fees or want to explore other options, there are plenty of other investment platforms available. Some popular alternatives include Robinhood, Vanguard, and Fidelity. Stash charges fees for various reasons, including operating costs, risk management, and profitability. While these fees can be frustrating, they're a common practice in the investment industry. By understanding the fees and taking steps to minimize them, you can make more informed decisions about your investments. If you have any questions about Stash fees or investment strategies, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you make the most of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.